structure that is not susceptible to forces like that. Hey, I want you to stick around. A lot more coverage of Hurricane Irma. We come back. We'll check in with the hurricane expert, Dr. Rick Knapp, as Irma heads for the U.S.
So Hurricane Irma is going over Florida right now. This is just an ad.
Playing Marco Polo with Marco Polo? Surprising. What's not surprising? How much money Amanda and Keith saved by switching to Geico.
Just an ad if you want to see it.
15 minutes could save you 15% or more. Ouch! 80% of us suffer from low back pain. Finally, there's a fast, easy, and effective way to help relieve low back pain in just minutes a day. Introducing Low Back Tracks. So effective, it's FDA
Oh, I forgot my blanket.
spinal
That's your
degenerative
blanket.
joint disease, herniated discs,
You
muscle
do.
spasms, spinal stenosis, low back pain.
Just watching something.
Hi, I'm Lori Grenier. I'm an inventor and entrepreneur, but many of you may know me as a shark on Shark Tank. I found Low Back Tracks because I had a loved one in pain, and I was so happy it really helped them. That's why I had to bring it to all of you, so now you can take your pain relief into your own hands.
It's so easy. Just lay on your back, bend your knees, and push. You'll be amazed at the relief. The secret is dual traction force, pushing your lower body and upper body away from each other, which results in traction, taking pressure off the spinal joints, discs, and nerves, providing life-changing pain relief.
My lower back, it hurts so much I can hardly get out of bed. After I started using the Low Back Tracks, now I'm back to my gardening, which I love.
You know, as a contractor, my body is my job, and I can't afford back pain. Low Back Tracks is the only thing that helped relieve my pain. I can't believe how fast it made me feel better. I suffered with back pain for years. That's why I developed Low Back Tracks. With daily use, I'm virtually pain-free.
Low Back Tracks is FDA cleared for all of these causes of
Yeah, so it's coming.
Huh?
Nothing.
How does it? It looks nice. Yeah. The baby's swimming.
You can get a second set. Just pay a separate fee. Plus, your shipping is absolutely free.
Low Back Tracks brought relief to many people I know, and I hope it brings
Well, that's because I was watching the baby all night, thinking, because I didn't want her to fall out of the little thing. Put a pillow behind that so it goes up.